how to apply for Walmart jobs online from Canada. You want to Google search for apply Walmart jobs Canada and go to this first website, careers.walmart.canada. And once you have opened up the website, it is going to look like this, and you can either search for specific keywords for the jobs. You can enter the location and radius. So we're just gonna do Quebec here, and we are gonna use the search bar. All right, so once you have done this, it's going to show us the available positions here. So you can go and choose a job which you want to apply for, such as a cashier here. So click on the job itself, and it's going to give you some more information about the position. If it sounds good to you, you can click on apply. Once you have clicked on apply here, it is going to look like this. Again, you have to read through this, and again click on apply, and you have the options of either autofilling with resume, you can apply manually, or you can also use your last application if you have applied previously. So if we click on apply manually here, it's going to show us the step-by-step guide. So first we will need to create an account and sign in. So right here you can see the requirements, so I'm just going to do that. After you have created your account, this is going to be the next field. How did you hear about us? You will choose where you heard from. So you can do YouTube, social media. So right here we're going to do YouTube. The country, you can choose Canada here from this list. And once you have done this, you will need to provide your legal name, your address, your city, province or territory, and also your phone number here and your phone device type. After you have put this information, you'll click on save and continue. You will need to provide your experience, answer questions, voluntary disclosures here, you need to agree to them, and afterwards you will just review all of your information, and if it looks good, you will save your information and you will have applied to that specific job. And you can also do this for multiple jobs. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.